Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The steps are more or less the same, except for one new addition. Divide the tens column dividend by the divisor. Multiply the divisor by the quotient in the tens place column. Subtract the product from the divisor. Bring down the dividend in the ones column and repeat.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Divide the first number of the dividend, or the two first numbers if the previous step took another digit, by the first digit of the divisor. Write the result of this division in the space of the quotient. Multiply the digit of the quotient by the divisor, write the result beneath the dividend and subtract it.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
In arithmetic, short division is a division algorithm which breaks down a division problem into a series of easy steps. As in all division problems, a number called the dividend is divided by another, called the divisor.
Take our lead.
It follows the same steps as that of long division, namely, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down and repeat or find the remainder. Here's an example of long division with decimals. 123,454,321 when divided by 11,111 gives a quotient of 11,111 and remainder 0.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.